All right, we're gonna show you how to clean the ribs off of the fish. We just caught this nice, beautiful coho, and to clean it before we serve it, we gotta get these ribs off of the thing. So make sure you get a really sharp knife. We use a Rapala knife, and you wanna find the tip of the ribs, and kind of put your finger down and kind of push against it, and use the edge of your blade. And we're going a couple motions, and you want to just go up against the ribs, up against the bone, kind of peel up a little bit, not waste meat. So you kind of go grind up against the ribs, and it'll pop off right there. You can see it just pop off. And then here, see all the ribs right here, very little meat gone. And you're going to do the same. You want to slide it, pull it up, to clean it right off, and do the same. Usually edge tip, and it comes up towards you, so you want to slide it up this motion right here. And there you have it. See, the ribs are gone. Throw that in the trash. And then we're just going to clean off the belly here. Just going to make a quick little cut right straight through. That should be good. You get the fin. Some people smoke that. You know, you can throw it on the grill later. But clean, no ribs, ready to go on the Barbie. So we got a couple more. This one will go a different angle. We'll go towards you. So, see, you'll find the ribs right here, the tip of the rib. I'm gonna cut up against the grain of the rib. Slide it, push it through, push it up. Make sure you're like parallel to the ribs. Push up against it, and not, you want to point the knife upward and not downward, because if you go downward, you're going to cut the meat off. If you go upward, you will lose very little meat, especially you work so hard to catch the salmon. And just like I said, peel up. See, I turn the knife, I turn the blade up right there. And you can just peel it up. And there you go, see? Very thin, nothing to it. And again, we're just gonna cut the belly right off with the fin. Again, some people like to smoke that. We'll just grill it up or just toss it. So we got a nice fillet here. That's our third one we caught. Nice big coho. Same thing here. We can go two directions. We can go towards you or towards us. Here we'll go towards you. The bones of these ribs are bigger, so see how I'm swooping up with the knife? I'm coming up upward motion. Nice, so coming up there, nicely done. Coming up here, so we don't lose any of that meat. It usually takes everything with us, so see? Bloodline is gone too. We'll get this extra rib right here, we'll just peel it up, cut underneath, so we don't lose anything else. Voila. And here, this one got cut earlier in the day as we were gutting the fish, filleting it out. There you go. We're gonna cut that on the fin again. Beautiful. So I'm gonna get nice clean cuts. And then you're ready to serve. And that's how you do it. Do it yourself.